Hello and welcome to another episode of Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Sir R Square. In this video, we're going to discuss about resistors in series. We have the following objectives. Discuss about the resistors in series connection. Discuss about the lows in series connection. We are referencing Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics, 9th edition by Survey and Jury. A series circuit is a circuit in which resistors are arranged in a chain, so the current has only one path to take. The current is the same through each resistor. Sa series connection daw po, yun daw pong ating mga resistors or yung ating mga load ay naka-arrange na parang chain. Pag chain, tinatawag na duktong-duktong. At yung current daw po ay isa lamang ang dadaanan. Kung kaya't kapag ka nagkaroon po daw ng putol, kagaya po nito, halimbawa itinanggal mo yung isang bombilya sa kanyang bukelya, maapektuhan din daw po yung mga iba pang mga load nito sapagkat putol na po yung sirkito dahil isa lamang daw po yung dinadaanan. Yan daw po ang ating series connection. At yung daw pong kuryente na dumadaan dyan is the same through each resistor. Resistance. The total resistance of a series circuit is equal to the sum of all the individual resistances in the circuit. Ipinakikita po rito ang diagram ng resistors in series connection. Kung mapapansin po natin, yung pong mga resistors ay naka-arrange na parang chain, no? Sunod-sunod. Ito po yung symbol ng mga resistors at ito po ay ang symbol ng EMF or ng ating voltage. Ito naman po ay yung direction ng ating current. So dito po sa ating example, ang sinusunod po pala dito ay yung conventional flow, which is from positive to negative. Sinasabi lamang po dito sa atin na yun daw pong total resistance, RT, ng resistors in series connection is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Yan daw po yung ating tinatawag na equivalent resistance noong kabuuan. Herewith are some commonly used electronic circuit symbols, but not limited to this. Current. Since there is only one path for electron flow in the series circuit, the current is the same magnitude at any point in the circuit. The total current in a series circuit is the same as the current through any resistance of the circuit. Meaning to say, I total is equal to I1 and is equal to I2 and is equal to I3 and then ellipsis. Voltage. When resistors are connected in series, they must share the total voltage of the source. The total voltage in a series circuit is equal to the sum of all individual voltage drops in the circuits. V total is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 ellipsis plus V sub n. As the current passes through each resistor in a series circuit, it establishes a difference in potential across each individual resistance. This is commonly called voltage drop, and its magnitude is in direct proportion to the value of resistance. The greater the value of resistance, the higher the voltage drop across that resistor. Let us have a sample problem. Determine the following in the circuit shown below: the current, voltage drop in each resistor, and the total resistance. So gagamitin po natin yung napag-aralan natin sa Ohm's Law para ma-resolve yung mga tinatanong dito sa atin. Una po, isolve natin yung tinatawag natin na total resistance. Yung total resistance daw po sa series connection is equal to the sum of the individual resistance. Yun po yung sabi sa atin nung nakaraang slide. Therefore, RT is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Ang given po natin ay 120 volts at meron po tayong tinatawag na resistors. Ang ating pong i-assume dito, walang po ako ng ballpen, i-assume po natin ang electron flow, no? Dahil mas maganda pong yun ang pinapractice natin. Electron flow, meaning to say, pag ganito po yung takbo ng ating kuryente, no? From negative to positive. Now, we have R1 to be 30, R2 to be 20, and R3 to be 10. So, kukunin po natin yung kanyang equivalent or yung total resistance, lalabas po, RT is equal to 30 plus 20 plus 10 ay 60 ohms. 60 ohms po yung total resistance niya. Next, compute naman po natin yung current na dumadaloy dito sa ating circuit. Sa series connection daw po, yung current is the same all throughout the circuit. Pati daw po dyan sa dumadaloy sa mga resistors natin. Therefore, kung V is equal to IR, therefore I is equal to V over R or E over R. So kung kukumputin po natin, ano po yung E natin? Ang E po natin ay 120 over R, malamang 2 po ang lalabas. 2 amps. So yan po ang current na dumadaloy, 2 amps. Ngayon naman po, para makompute po natin yung ating tinatawag na individual voltage drop in each resistor, ay gagamitin pa rin po natin yung tinatawag nating Ohm's Law na V is equal to IR. Therefore, kung dito po natin muna sisimulan sa 10, walang po ako ng ballpen. So 10, ang R po ang atin pong current ay 2, siya po ay 20. Okay. So 20 volts po tayo dito. Tapos dito po ay 40 volts. Kaya naman pong i-times na ng mentally, no? 2 times 20. Tapos dito raw po ay 2 times 30, 60 volts. Yan po ang ating individual voltage drop sa bawat resistor. Ngayon, kung gusto daw po natin ma-check, kailangan daw po yung B ng source or yung voltage ng source is equal to the sum of all the individual voltage. So, yung 120 raw po, yun yung source, ay kailangan equal sa 60 plus 40 plus 20. So, 120 is equal to 120. Kung ganon, tama po yung ating solution. Meron pong mama na nagsabi niyan sa atin. Ang sabi niya po, the sum of the voltage drop in the circuit must be equal to the source. Yan po yung Kirchhoff's. Huwag po kayong mag-alala, hindi pa po natin muna tutuluyan si Kirchhoff's. Binabangga-bangga lamang po natin muna sa ngayon dahil hindi pa po tapos tayo sa parallel connection. Pagkatapos natin po ng parallel connection at saka series parallel, dadako na po tayo sa Kirchhoff's. Pero ngayon pa lamang po ay ini-introduce na po natin yung kanyang mga konsepto. Okay. Here are some advantages and disadvantages of having a series connection or series circuit. But of course, it is not limited to this. Maaring marami pa po na hindi lamang po naisulat dito ng ating aklat. Ang una pong advantage natin, yung current daw po in all parts of the circuit is the same. Pare-pareho po yung current. This causes the bulbs to light up with the same brightness. Pare-pareho ang magiging liwanag ng ating mga ilaw. Ang isa pa pong advantage, yung current daw po sa circuit increases kapag ka mas maraming cells ang ikinonekta. Pangatlo, yung lahat daw po ng circuit components are controlled by one switch. Malaking advantage po yun, ano? Lalong-lalo na po sa mga street lights, ay yung mga ilaw sa poste, ay isipin mo po, ang lalayo nun, ano? Kung isa-isa mong isuswitch yun, napakahirap po para sa gagawa nun tuwing hapon or kung walang photo eye, no? Kung walang photo cell, isuswitch mo isa-isa. So, napakalaking advantage po kung nasa series sila. Pag pindot mo nung switch, sabay-sabay na po siyang iilaw. Ang disadvantages naman daw po, there is only one path for the flow of electric current. If a bulb or lamp is burned, other bulbs will not light up. O yan lang po ang problema. Kapag napundi yung isa or kapag nagkaroon ng kahit na anong putol doon sa linya, hindi na po sisindi ang lahat ng ating mga ilaw na nakakonekta sa series. Number 2, cells in series do not last long. Bagamat pag nagdadagdag ka ng cells ay nag-i-increase yung current, pero hindi daw po masyadong tumatagal yung nasa series, no? Malakas daw po siyang mag-dole out ng kuryente. Now, if more bulbs are added, the resistance in the circuit increases, causing the electric current that flows to decrease. Yan po ang ating mga advantages at disadvantages of having a series circuit. Of course, ulitin ko, it is not limited to this. Ito lamang po yung mga nakalagay sa ating pinagkuhanan na reference. At sa ating pong pagtatapos, ibalik po natin ang lahat ng parangal at papuri sa Diyos amang makapangyarihan sa lahat kasama ni Jesus at ng Espiritu Santo na naghahari noon, ngayon, magpakailanman, magpasawalang hanggan. Amen. To God be the glory.